Okay guys, this is a 2024 Kona Limited. Sent you from Real Deal Auto. All-wheel drive, rebuilt title, rear damage. Nothing was touched up here. It's been driven over 1,000 miles since the repair. Make sure everything works good and ready to go. Damage was right here. Limiteds come with all the leather. Start it up. You can see 19,257. Just open that sunroof there for you. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Backup camera, 360 camera, adaptive cruise, lane assist. Different options here. Wireless charging here. Pretty slick. Again, there's those miles. Does have downhill descent, traction control, power windows, locks and mirrors. VIN number. Again, damage was right here. Had some suspension damage to the quarter and bumper. Power lift gate works good. Spare tire, all the tools. Good look at that suspension there. It's got a 1.8 turbo on there. Keeps on beeping me, not having the keys. Look at that dash, all looks good. Some scrapes on that wheel. Really like the lights on this. Really cool daytime lights. Okay guys, doing what most dealerships won't do, get underneath the car, show you everything about it. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.